I have the employment package, but there's a video from the employment package that I included in the essentials package. So
Yeah.
of course, this is the insurancesalesqueen.com. The exam queen is to help everyone pass their exam. But once you're there and passed, now what? So the essentials package, the entire idea is to set you up for
Yeah.
success for your first year. So what Maria is talking about is navigating interview questions.
Yeah.
I enjoyed recording that. I loved it, Maria.
Yeah.
I mean, at the end of the day, when it comes down to it, getting the job may or may not be easy for some, but for those that it's difficult for, I made employment prep and we've got wheel of interview questions again on the website. So if anyone is needing interview, question, practice, piece of cake.
I think everyone must need that because I tell you, it is there's so many things there. I had no idea that's what I need to know. I had no idea.
Exactly.
Yep.
And just like any industry, they're going to have their own questions. They're going to have their own formulas, their own way. And
Yeah.
so insurance is no different.
No.